This video I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram into a personal account. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, open Instagram and here tap on here you can see your profile icon. After that you can see top here you can see top right three lines. Click on this. After that click on settings. Here you can see click on the setting button. After that here you can see scroll down and here click on accounts. Here you can see accounts button. Click on this. After that here you can see scroll down and here you can see option switch account type. Click on this. Here you can see switch to personal account. Click on this personal account. In this way click on switch to personal account. In this way you can switch your account business to personal on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.